Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Raheel and this is the quick demonstration of my cloud computing semester project. So I have built a real-time cloud computing dashboard using Node and Express and then containerized my web application using Docker Desktop and then uploaded the image to Amazon ECR service and then uploaded the image to Kubernetes cluster running on a single EC2 T2.micro instance. So this project displays the system metrics like container ID, timestamps, total amount of visitors, and system resources like CPU cores and RAM usage. On the front end, which I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's see the source code of this project. So I have built this using Node, in which I've used Express, and then I have used operating system libraries. So basically this server returns the container ID, returns the platform, it returns the CPU model, it returns the total memory, use memory, and free memory. And I have also used Docker in this project, in which I'm using Node and server.javascript, and then I also uses the Kubernetes. For that I have used these two files, in which I'm using the custom port 398 on the Amazon backend, and this is the server service file in which I'm using the custom port on EC2. And I have also uploaded this project on GitHub. So this is the complete source code of the project, and if you want the complete guide, I have also created this file. You can get the whole guide from this file. And to check, so this is the ECR instance, so this is the Docker image. This is the Docker image which I have uploaded on the Amazon ECR service, and this is the EC2 instance. So this is the public IP and this is the private IP. So to quickly check this, we have to move to the folder where our private keys are downloaded, and then using SSH we can enter the server, EC2 server. And then we have to copy the public IP. Okay. We have to use .pm. We have entered the EC2 private Ubuntu server. Now we can check the services if they are running or not using kubectl get pods. We can see the 2 copies of our web application is running, and we can also check the services. So these are all the services that are running: Cloud Project Service, Kubernetes Service, and the Node port, which is 3080 custom port. We can also scale our web application. We can make another copy. So we have scaled our project. Now we can check if the copy successfully. So yeah, there's another copy running on this here as well. So now we can check if our web application is live or not. So we can go here and we can type this. So this is the live application. It is showing the timestamp, it is showing the container ID on the Kubernetes, and the uptime, and the CPU cores, and the total amount of visitor if we refresh this will update 183, if you refresh again 183, and this is the container in environment. Platform is Linux, architecture is 64 bits, node version. So this is our container ID of the Docker desktop, and this is the activity log. You can see it is changing for every time. Now if you want to delete our instance, we can easily delete the instance too. You can go back, you can click on it, you can delete, and just you can delete this too, and you can delete the EC2 instance as well. I am not deleting here because I might have. So this was the quick demonstration of my project, and I learned a lot about Kubernetes and Docker, which I was not really familiar with.